Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I made a video on this just yesterday and I made the word apple transparent. I don't know if this is going to work for the gentleman I'm doing it for, but if we take this word apple and select both of them and go intersect, look at that. Now you have a copy of the apple, the word apple, in an apple. So we could go here now, instead of transparenting the word, let's make the apple itself a little transparent. I don't know if this is going to help him or not, but then move this up and it's going to show up quite a bit. That'd be a pretty cool effect. I don't know anything about printing. I don't know if that would print like that. You know, I'd be real curious. Let's say you printed on a blue shirt and go object, order, back a page. Ha! Because the apple is transparent, the blue showing through. That's pretty cool. I wonder if we made it. Let's see what black would look like. Yeah, you know, that looks pretty good. Let's see, white we know. Red doesn't really work, but the black looks, well, if you printed that on a black shirt, because now the transparent apple kind of looks more like an apple. And just for the one I'm doing it for, I've got a little bit of gap right there. And if you take your shape tool, you can get rid of that, if you want to call that unsightly, and get rid of that little flare. And on both sides. I mean, here's some more. All you have to do is, once you've traced it, just use your shape tool to get rid of it, and you can do that all the way around. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.